Today is party day here in Dallas, and I'm putting up some fabrics to help you kind of bring you to the party. So these are all two-way stretch. These are all $14.99 today, because some of these, like this one, is normally $24.99, and I'm just giving party specials. This is this is actually a stretch woven. It's a wine. It's a viscose poly. It's got just a little bit of poly. Beautiful drape. It wouldn't matter what you did with it, pants, top, it's just beautiful drape, and it's very dense. It's just really pretty. But again, $14.99 today. This is just beautiful. Also, I put it up because it goes with the wine. This has stretch in both directions. This is 100% viscose. This has a little tiny micro rib to it, very small ribbing, but it's just a really pretty contemporary print. And again, anything you did with it would be lovely. This cream vanilla colored ribbing has stretch in both directions. It is a cotton poly. It goes with all of these. It really blends well with all of them, which is why I put it in. If you wanted to do any type of ribbing or collar or whatever. Love this. Love the colors. The gray, the kind of orangish almost, the blues, really beautiful. Again, stretch in both directions. This is 100% viscose. Lovely fabric. Lovely knit. Just really beautiful. This is a Pontoroma, stretch in both directions, 100% viscose. Isn't that lovely? And see how beautiful they blend. They go with all of them. There's grays in all of them. It's very nice. And then this is, love the colors on this, kind of goldy colors. Again, with this same rusty tone to it. This one's got the black in it. Again, just a really pretty background. This is 100% viscose also. Just great drape, stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful fabric. $14.99. What a deal. So welcome to the party. Oh, I want to show you one thing. You're going to want to know about this. This is our newest ruler. And we're not going to read, it's on the site, but I've got a little video I'm working on it. This is the bias for pant. I'm sorry, not for bias. This is for straight grain on pants. Because so many of us, we have to measure here, we have to measure here, and we get it wrong. You put this on the edge of the fabric, and that's the grain line. Or you put this on the edge of the fabric, and the grain line should run on these two rulers. So and then it folds down. And it snaps into place, so you get a 90-degree angle. I'm just really excited about this because I see so many women who they don't get the grain line straight. This is incredible. I'm just very, very excited about it. Our graphics guy did a great, beautiful job on it, so where these snap into place and create a 90-degree angle, which is critical. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.